Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we're gonna try to solve another lab from SQL injection path. This is the Web Security Academy, and the lab is the SQL injection attack, querying the database type and version on MySQL and Microsoft. So let's just access the lab, and I actually tried to solve it earlier, but I faced some issues. I'm gonna show you these. This is how I was solving any previous labs. So I know about the URL encoding, but everything was working. So like simple union select null, and we get an error. Okay, that's okay. I was trying to add some other columns. I tried many of them actually. It wasn't working properly, so I decided to try. So maybe, I mean, we know that there's this MySQL and Microsoft. If we check the Portswigger SQL injection cheat sheet, we know about the comments. So we know that there are different types of comments. I mean, the dash dash comment is like a universal type because it should be working on any type of database, but um, it's not actually the case here, I guess. So we can try something else like the hash. We're getting an error, and we're still getting an error, and actually adding other columns won't actually work. So it wasn't working properly. So I decided to try do it in the verb suite. So back to home lab, let's go to verb. It's the history, and let's grab the first one here. So we got the fresh one, let's say. Let's send it to the repeater, and let's try here. So like the union select null, and the hash, because it's like probably this one. Okay, and just URL encode this. Looks like this one. Let's send it. Okay, we get an error. Um, let's decode it and add another null here, and let's encode it again. That's here. Okay, and send. And now we're getting okay. So like the problem was probably in encoding or maybe in the hash symbol, um, but it wasn't that, I mean, easy, because in every previous lab from SQL injection, I just did everything in the browser, in the URL, with spaces and everything, you know. And now it's not working. So something new. We've learned something new. I mean, I hope it works. Okay, so let's try adding like some symbols. Like, let's try this one. Okay, it works. So we know that there are two columns being returned. We can see them here. So let's just try extracting the database version. If we look at the SQL injection cheat sheet, we can see that there are a few options. We know that the hash symbol is working, so it's probably the MySQL database. So let's try this add version payload. So instead of, let's say, maybe ABC, we can do something like that. Let's see. Oh, and we did it. If we scroll down, we can see that our version is here. So something new we've learned. I mean, the conclusion is to basically um, try URL encoding anytime, I guess. Maybe that's what I will do in the future. But it was how I hope I've showed you how to solve this lab. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.